Want to add album artwork to your music files with MusicBrainz Picard? Album artwork makes your music library look more organized and helps media players display the correct cover image while you're listening to your favorite songs. In this guide, I'll show you how to add album artwork in MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Add Folder or Add Files to import the album you want to update. You know, importing a complete album usually provides the best results when searching for artwork. Next, select the imported files and click Lookup. If the existing tags aren't accurate enough, click Scan instead to identify the album using audio fingerprints. I mean, once the correct album is matched, MusicBrainz Picard can retrieve the associated metadata and available artwork. After the album is identified, check the cover art panel or album information to see whether artwork has been found. If album artwork is available through the metadata sources you've enabled, it will be associated with the album before you save your changes. Yeah, this gives you a chance to confirm that the artwork matches your album. Once you've confirmed the album information and artwork, click Save. MusicBrainz Picard will write the updated metadata to your music files, including embedded album artwork if your settings allow it. Finally, open your music folder or your favorite media player and check the updated album. You should now see the album artwork displayed alongside the song information, making your music library look more complete and professional. And that's how to add album artwork in MusicBrainz Picard. Combining accurate metadata with album artwork helps create a cleaner, more enjoyable music library that's easy to browse across different devices and media players. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.